kick the birthday list off, what a smile right there. That is Everly Faye Guffey. She just looks like content as can be with all the toys in the background right there. And she is turning the big number 2. A very happy birthday to you, Everly Faye, because you just put a smile on my face, kiddo.
Following turning age 3, we have Sutton Kitchler.
Wait a second, he's not old enough to drive yet.
Out of Walnut, Kansas. Yeah, I'm a little concerned. Well, happy birthday, Sutton.
Drive fast, turn left, Sutton. You got it, buddy. Lucy Zom is turning 9, and in Lucy's hands is her bunny named Little Fat. What a great name for that bunny there, Lucy. You did an excellent job picking out that name. And a very happy birthday to you in Baxter Springs.
Next, we have Emma Miller turning 10 years old. Emma is from Seneca, and she has a special birthday message. You have a happy birthday from Daddy, Mommy, Maddie, Chief, and Nanny. So lots of people wishing you happy birthday. Happy birthday, Emma.
Well, out to Fort Scott. Dirks Keegler is right there in the middle of the screen with a Tigers basketball sweatshirt on. He is celebrating his 14th birthday. Dirks, a very happy birthday to you and little Fort Scott Tiger pride.
Next, we have Lyndon Blundell turning 17 years old out of Oswego.
That's one of those time flying right there. My goodness. Happy birthday, Camden. 17. Wow. Allison Zink, she is celebrating her 37th birthday. To Miss Allison, a very happy birthday to you in Iola. Hey, look at this.
We have Lynette Emerson turning 51 out of Fort Scott. Happy birthday, Lynette.
Happy birthday, Lynette. Long time no see right there. Have a marvelous day, ma'am. Jean Muse is turning the big number 60. Jean, that is a great picture, and I guarantee that somebody's not spoiled in that picture now, are they? Jean celebrating in Iola.
And also we have Claire Wyrick.
That makes sense.
Yep, turning 2 out of Humboldt, and that is Jean's granddaughter.
Well, how cool. Jean, I wish you a happy birthday because I know that you probably have all your attention focused on little Claire right there, and rightfully so with her celebrating her 2nd. Happy birthday to both Jean and Claire. Mary Jones with a birthday. Miss Mary, she is in Crestline. Have a great day, Miss Jones.
We have Joel and Heather Merritt's out of Parsons celebrating their 1st anniversary. That's so exciting. Happy anniversary, you two.
Then we've got a 7th anniversary for Thomas and Emily Porter. Congratulations to the Porters. They celebrate in Pittsburgh.
Next, we have a 36th anniversary. That was on April 6th. Ronald and Feely Sachs out of Joplin.
Congratulations, Sachs. 36 years, wow. Christy Manier, she is celebrating her 42nd birthday. Love from the family, Miss Christy. She's in Nevada. Jerry Shelton, a 96th birthday. Jerry's in Fort Scott. Big happy birthday there, number 96. And Bill Taylor, happy birthday in Miami, as Bill is 38.
We have Jimmy Blyle turning 47. We have Richard Bridges turning 82, and Richard is out of Miami. We have a 52nd anniversary. Wow, from Wally and Peggy Ball. That's 52?
52.
Wow.
Let's finish off in the bus. Gage Harmon, a very happy birthday in Columbus. And speaking of Columbus, that is exactly where Ralph and Memmy Hauser are celebrating their 41st anniversary. Congratulations to the Hausers. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all.